Today's tech tip shows how you can download Office 2016 for home. This means that you can put Office 2016 on up to 5 personal devices in your home for free. Last week, we received an email from the district office highlighting how to get this device. The first step is to log into your Office 365 portal by navigating to portal.office.com. Keep in mind that you don't have to go here for your devices for school. They already have Office on them. So I'm at the portal.office.com. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Yes, I want to stay signed in. And now that I'm logged in, there's a button over here on the right that says Install Office Apps. So I click on that button and it says Download Office 2016. From here, after I click Download, there we go. It gives me my directions. Here's the file that I'll download to my computer. And once I download it, I open it and it takes me into the setup file once it downloads. And then I say yes to install it, and then it will install it for me. And it's that easy. A couple other things that's good to note from the email that was sent was that your browser will download and install the file for your computer. So if you have a Macintosh and you go and run this program, it will download the files you need for a Mac computer. The same thing with your PC. You can use this to install on up to 5 devices, and as long as you're employed by Camas School District, your software will be valid. And note here, they've said, please do not use OneDrive or SharePoint to save files because these services are not supported by the district. So that's it. You can download this up to 5 times for personal devices, and have a great Tuesday.